of Northern and Central South America. And there you go. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for blue. Come on, boys, say go blue, go blue. And now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for azul. Come on, girls, say go azul, go azul. Alright, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Oh, you want energy. Once again, are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? And go! Let's go, birds. Here we go. First ball for azul, followed by blue. Second ball goes to both birds. And last ball, who's gonna win? And blue wins the basketball game. That's all. First ring by blue. Come on, azul. Second ring by blue. And now what's this? Azul grabs all 3 rings at the same time. So Trainer Jesse, did you see that? 3 rings, what can you say?
It was a drop, Christina cheat my mom.
Or did you guys really cheat?
No, I didn't cheat, Azul just use their brain.
Wow, so our skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. You can feed these birds in the feast on fruits, nuts, seeds, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. Table, and guess what, sir? Blue wants to, there you go, donate your money. Okay, so your equation is 5 plus 7. Against the 5 plus 7. So, taga na times si Snow and si Trainer. We are about study. Now na tayo, practice is Snow yung modules. Okay, Snow, are you ready? Alright, Snow, now give us the first number. And there you go, Snow grabs number 1. Now, is the first number correct? Ay, hindi for sure ako ba? Again, is the first number correct? Let's start, Snow. Finish your answer up to the second number. And there you go, Snow grabs number 2. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. A round of applause. Now these birds are widespread throughout the subcontinents of India, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, we call them as lawings. Blue on their backs, and their belly and inner wings are solid yellow. Now their eyes and beaks are solid black. So those birds are typically widespread throughout the